And I just want to show you some of the results, the recent results, just to see how the system has been doing lately. So I recommend trades in all the strategies that I listed, the call and the put option purchase, the call and the put option spreads, and the covered calls, and buying the bearish ETFs. So I make recommendations for all those strategies with my service, and I just wanted to give you an idea of the recent results. This is as of October 7th. And you can see the first trade listed here is Australian dollar option spread. I bought the put option at 1540, sold a put option with a lower strike at 1320, and these are all based on a $10,000 investment in each recommendation. Now, of course, if you only do one contract, then it's a much lower requirement. In this case, it would be this spread only cost $220, because if you paid $15.40 for the option and you sold a put with a lower strike at $13.20, then your total cost is $220. So obviously, if you just do one contract, it's a lot less initial capital requirement. In this first example, the Australian dollar puts have about an $800 profit, a 95% gain, and the short puts, they have about a $4,300 loss, but the net result of the spread, that has about a $4,500 open trade profit right now. Here's a British pound spread trade right here, euro currency, and these are examples of put option purchases for the euro, the Australian, and this is the short euro fund. This is an ETF. This is not a double beta ETF. This is just a one-to-one short euro that I recommended at $40. It's currently trading at $50. It's actually much higher than that right now because the euro has been falling against the dollar. And here's a British pound put option trade example there. So as of October 7th, the total profit was $45,000, and it had about 102% return. And here's an example of the commodity portfolio. And again, this consists of option spreads, option purchases, and here's the short materials fund right here. That's an ETF. Bought that at 37. Right now that's trading at 80, so that has about 115% return for just the ETF. So you can see that covers a pretty wide range of different types of commodities. And this portfolio, as of October 7th, had a $96,000 profit and an average return of 204%. And here's the equity portfolio. And again, we have option spreads as well as ETF purchases. That's an ETF short emerging market ETF purchase right there. And the equity portfolio had about $138,000 open trade profit and about a 200% return, average return. So this just gives you an idea of the recent results of the system. And it's been doing well because the major trend's been down, and it caught the beginning of the major trend down.